just went and saw a Jersey cow. There's a lot more to it than just that. We are also headed to the Rhodes house, and then we are going to our first ever YouTube meetup.
Hello!
Hey, how's it going? Hey, buddy!
I've been here a total of like 5 minutes and we're going to castrate pigs. I think I'm going to castrate pigs actually. I think.
Park it. If we have to.
Did you have a crash? Did you crash into the barn over there? Looks like you ran.
Alright, bring those.
So compact. And so you basically have to make 2 incisions. Pop.
No.
The big one's not castrated. The big one's the boar.
The big one's a bull. A bull.
A boar.
Reshut that.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
this. It's.
That one?
So you reminded me.
Jonah said, what a way to begin a party.
Yeah.
That's true.
I mean, think about it though. If you're gonna eat this stuff, they're gonna be castrated anyway,
Yeah.
commercially. I feel like it's better that you take on the responsibility. I take on the emotion, the torn feelings of like, is this right? Like, should we just keep them intact? Take the risk. It's good to feel that weight because it is an animal we're talking about.
Yeah, agreed. I had to come out to the pasture just to update you on how Donald's doing. I think Donald's home, honestly. I think this was just the best thing to do, and I know he's gonna be happy. He's right here with these chickens, and his girlfriend, or maybe we shouldn't jump to that conclusion. His future girlfriend, perhaps, is over here. I've heard that geese pair up for life at the age of 2 or 3 years, and Donald's older, and his possible girlfriend is younger, so I'm curious to see how that goes.
It does leak.
This greenhouse is so nice. I get inspired when I come down here.
And I could bring it my North gun at my birthday, right? Right, Dada?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We're walking through this section that Justin is gonna transition into a wooded pasture, kind of savanna type environment, and just looking at tree species, identifying tree species out here. What are you doing out of the fence? How did she get out of there? How did you get out? There's the hole.
It's just a normal thing.
See got in that hole before?
yeah.
Those are some pretty Jersey cows out there.
I
aren't they?
know. I want to go look at them and compare them to the cow we just looked at. If I can reach them, I don't want to scratch them on the head, on the neck. That's what cows like, is neck scratches, behind the ear scratches.
They smell so good.
I love them. Love
You like
cows.
the smell of a cow?
Look at Stud Muffin.
Look at Stud Muffin. What are you doing, dude?
Gosh, he's so big and handsome. This greenhouse is so beautiful. So well done.
All right. So we think we may have found our milk cow. We went and saw her today. Sorry. No, we're not starting over. That was too good to be true. We went to a very small grass-fed dairy today. This is kind of like the dream cow because it's very close to us. It is a grass-fed Jersey.
Yes.
They feed them only grass and alfalfa. They're downsizing their herd a little bit. They had to sell one cow. They picked this girl. but she's been a great milker for them.
Yeah, so the pros are she's grass-fed and she's in great condition. She births easily. Never really had any problems with her. The cons are she's older, but she's only 6, so actually she's in her prime, but she's one of their older cows. That's why they picked her. And she's not A2, and so that's the other reason that they picked her. But she comes with a beautiful heifer calf and even a steer calf if we want to raise a beef cow. So we'll see.
This cow is actually really beautiful and looks really, really good.
The only other thing about her condition is that her udder is really, really low. That's the only thing about her like body type or condition that I have a small issue with. So we'll just have to keep an eye on her udder if we decide to get her.
And her condition is excellent.
Yeah.
She, just for just being on grass, her condition is really good.
Coming off of winter too.
She's really full. Her body's really full. She's just a good-looking cow.
For a Jersey, yeah.
And we're pretty sure we're gonna get her.
Yeah, we are.
You told them yet?
Who, them or the people that are selling the cow?
People are selling.
No, I hadn't. I was waiting for you to tell me to send the text.
She's pretty much everything we want in a cow.
She's just not a milking Devon.
She's really gentle. She's been milked, mostly machine milked, but he's hand milked her a lot.
She's kind. She's gentle. She's well handled. She's loved. She was born on this farm, so they know her whole history. They know her mother's history. They know her grandmother's history. So yeah, it's really close to our house, and it's totally in our price range. So she really seems for us like the perfect cow to start breeding with Devons, so we can get a milking Devon Jersey cross.
We would be milking right away.
That's the one downside for us.
We would need to start milking right away because she produces quite a large amount of milk, more than a one calf can handle, and so we would need to milk her. Which I don't know if it's a downside. It's just a change of plans.
Of plans. We weren't planning to milk a cow till next year.
I love milking cows, and I would like to milk tomorrow. I'd get up and I'd rather milk tomorrow than do it. I'm gonna do it tomorrow morning. So I don't know.
So one of the positives also of getting another calf is that we could possibly get her to accept this steer calf that we're thinking about getting, and then we'll have she'll basically be being a nurse cow for us, so that we don't necessarily have to milk right away if we're not ready. But she may not accept him, so that would be a gamble.
I want a milk. I want cow's milk.
I want beef and butter.
Here's beef and butter.
Beef and butter.
So we're pretty excited about this. I know many of you all will be as well, and we'll let you know. It could happen as early as next week.
Next Wednesday, maybe.
Maybe.
And where there's leftovers.
Yes.
And it's always good. But in my mind, I'm like,
I have no idea.
We are headed to our first YouTube meetup. I guess we've kind of been a part of these before, but it's really exciting. So exciting to meet some of you guys, and yeah, here we go. I'm really excited.
Here we are at the Asheville area homesteader YouTuber meetup. It's been really, really fun meeting a bunch of viewers, fans, new friends. So thanks to everyone who came out today. It's quite a success. Visiting going on here, a bunch of kids in the playground over here. It's just been a really nice time. So thank you all, everyone who came, but everyone who's watching, thank you for your support and for following us in this journey and just joining us for everything we're learning and doing. So thank you. Bye.